Here we have limit as x approaches 1. So if we substitute 1 for x, this is going to be equal to 0 over 0, right? So what we have to do is we have to factor the denominator, right? Since the denominator can be considered as x cubed minus 1 cubed, we can use this formula a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared, right? So this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 1, x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x squared plus x times 1, which is x, plus 1 squared, right? Now we cancel x minus 1 out, and then this limit is equal to, if we substitute 1 for x, then that's going to be 1 over 1 squared plus 1, which is equal to 1/3.